Because if someone comes to your house and steals your baby and steals your home, ayishintshe athi la ekhaya sekuyika Smith and lengane sekuJeorge, and you go to court, you fight for years, and then you get your home back, you get your child back. Wouldn't you call it igama layo el original? I think our South African leaders can learn from what you guys have done. Even our leaders like Tatu Mandela. He was called Nelson. Why? Because in South Africa kangavumelekile ukuthi uattende iskole negama lesintu. So the minute we got our freedom, people should have gone back to amagama abo original. If abelungu are not willing to learn ukubiza amagama ethu, if we can pronounce him away, why can't they pronounce umanqoba nabo? That's why I refuse. Umlungu ohluleka ukubiza igama lami. Athi what Thenjiwe what? Nami ngimbiza ngoqone. Uhluleka ukubiza igama lami, okay Catherine, nami ngizokubiza ngoHletherine. We need to take our power back. And going back to being the kingdom of Eswatini is taking your power back in a big way. They come to us, but they change us. And it has to come to a stop. Mina, I am lucky. Let me tell you something about my name. I was born Kwamashu. I was born in September. So, being born in September, bayazazi esizalwa nabo ngoSeptember, obviously we were conceived in a festive season. And if age group yami uyazi ukuthi babengakajabuliswa amamowe namasavana ziyingane nje ze-autumn harvest. And abantu bayathanda ukuthi, oh Thenjiwe, what a beautiful name, what does it mean? It means the one you can trust. It means the honest one. But oh, no wonder you're so honest. No, it's not about me. Because the thing with amagama ethu, they have a meaning. It's because my mother was honest and trusted. Wamita. And my grandmother was so worried. The first thing I was ukuthi how what the nonhlanhla. Ngoba ngakutshela nje ukuthi uzomitha amulala nabafana. Wathi umangla la ngasasimile. And my grandfather was so upset. You took my daughter's virginity. Watu baba, I'm sorry, I won't do it again. So we must take pride in our names. And I'm lucky because in South Africa, when I grew up, you had to have an English name in order to attend a school. That's why I see namagama amanye ubona ukuthi okay abazali bakhe babengafundanga kodwa babelifuna leli gama lesingisi. Abanye uyabona ukuthi babemani bavule nje dictionary. Mekuvule ku misery igama lakho lelo. So my English name was Diploma. True story. Because wami kwakufanele ayoqala ecollege ezothola idiploma ye-nursing. Yena wabuya nami. Wathiwa nayo le diploma obuyoyifundela. And fortunately for me, the first day of school, in South Africa there was this law, angazi noma nake nabanayo la, ukuthi if you are a teacher and not married, waba pregnant, you are xoshwe esikoleni. Yes. Abantu besifazane siphume ebunzimeni. If you are not married, ungowesifazane, wawuxoshwa, nurses and teachers. Wawuxoshwa. So mina manje esikoleni they had just fired a teacher, so kwakukhona lo teacher ongekho qualified. So mangifika ngimtshela igama lami ukuthi Ngu-diploma. Asakho umuntu ozokudiploma la mina nginganayo. That's how I got away. And nisqalele, sometimes you guys may think we are being rude when we keep referring to this country as Swaziland. It will take time. Ukuthi sijwayele. It's like when you are in school and there's a teacher, uyazi ukuthi uMr. Cele. He's been uMr. Cele for all your school life. You go home on Friday, hamba kahle Mr. Cele, uyagoduka. Uyabuya Monday, uthi good morning Mr. Cele. Kanti usefikile uNimrod Nkosi nokucatatako. Wazomtshela ukuthi ama results athi wena wakadlamini. It takes time. It takes time ukuthi ujwayele igama lomuntu elisha. And mina, being South African, I find it hard because I get to go and perform endaweni ezihlukene. Like njenganamhlanje bengiyitshelile ukuthi okay, what am I going to talk about? I'm going to talk about what's happening in South Africa. I'm going to talk about some politicians. And njengoba ngihleli backstage ngithi no, but it would be unfair. Ngeke ngikhulume ngama politicians. I can't talk about my fellow comedians. You guys, you have such a beautiful country and you should retain. Ngiyayithanda indaba yokuthi you still respect a culture. It's important. I go to places and bakutshele rubbish, like I don't know if it was a big hype nalana. This thing here, Black Panther. Bakutshele ukuthi, oh my God, you must be so happy about the kingdom of Wakanda. Why should I be happy about a fake kingdom when we have real kingdoms in Africa? But oh my God, you guys, you know, it must be so nice for you to hear South African language in an international movie. I must be excited ukuzwa abantu behlephula isiXhosa. We've had Nigerians behlephula isingisi kuma movie for years. Nobody says we should be excited. And ngiyabaza abantu abamnyama, ingane ezozalwa nje kuzoba owakandisha, owakandakazi. Until ngizumlungu mangiyoshop eShoprite ebiza ingane yakhe ethi Chineke. I don't see the need ukuthi wayithi we should be excited. Thina ufica ingane kuthiwa oh akakwazi ukukhuluma nogogo, akasazi iSwati noma isiZulu. Khuluma isingisi kuphela. Because he watches Hollywood movies. Wakwawezwa belungu ehamba nomkhonyana wakhe bethi bazokhuluma iSwati because ingane yabo ikhuluma iSwati kuphela ngoba ihlala eSwatini. We need to learn to love ourselves. And mina, last week I was performing in England. And my first trauma, mangifike eJoburg. Umngane nami engangifike naye, sisuke eThekwini sizofuna umsebenzi eGoli. Soyi2, siyaqala ukufika eGoli kanye kanye. Sathi sehla nje ebhasini. Sathi mara Thenjiwe mara tune. Nithi mina sekwenzeke njani manje? Athi no, ukuthi mina umcondo wami uyashesha tu. Angaqedi ne 30 minutes la eJoburg, mara nje sengikhuluma ngathi ngivela koSoweto. Because we like to be what we are not. We like to entertain other cultures, even if it means we are entertaining a culture a week. Mina, that one thing that I really enjoy about ukshada outside my culture is I get to get away with things. Like if my husband wants a doggy style on a Wednesday, it's against my culture.